Here we come to the elevators at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in San Antonio, Texas on the Riverwalk. These are Otis Gen2 from 2008. And we got this one right here. Anyways, the main guest elevators are locked with the key card, so I'm not gonna do these. But I can only film these elevators here. These are Otis Series 4. It's kind of a bit low lighting here.
D5.
Lobby.
Going up.
There's music. There's music down here.
Lobby.
These are definitely Gen 2. All right, I'm gonna send this down and we're gonna catch the other elevator car. That other elevator car, that's definitely gotta be working. So anyways, I'm gonna, hopefully I don't cause a disruption. Oh, good. The elevator's here. Finally, the other elevator car is here. So that way I don't have to wait all the time. Here's a desk right next to it. So we're gonna get off quickly. This one doesn't chime.
D5.
I'm gonna do a quick cab before we go back up. See, this is what the elevator cab looks like. I think it looks similar to the main guest elevators. I don't know. But look in the mirror, hi. All right, let's go back up to the lobby.
Lobby.
All right, here we are. I've been dying to film these elevators for a long, but anyways, that'll be it.